Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa. Please leave a comment down below saying hi, where you're from. So today I'm doing a pantry clean. It's not so much a clean out. I do get rid of a few things, but the main aim of today is just to take everything out, wipe down the shelves and put things back and reorganise things a little bit because it's become a little bit chaotic in here. I sort of just moved in, shoved everything in and just left it the way it was. So it's not working very well the way I had it set up to begin with. So I'm just going to do a bit of reorganising. So let's get into it.
Come running, yeah, every day, 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me.
So the way I normally do these sort of things is I will go one shelf at a time. So I do the top shelf, I do pull things down and then I'll wipe it out, but very rarely do I get the whole pantry and just pull it all out and wipe it down. I just find it very intimidating and sort of a bit daunting, like it's not something I would do regularly if I was pulling it all out. So leave in the comments down below, what do you guys do? Do you guys pull everything out, or are you a bit like me and find it intimidating and daunting and just go basically shelf for shelf?
Yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I'm not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day, 24/7, yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it our love? We can go on again.
actually did wipe out that whole entire shelf under the microwave. I don't know what happened. I turned around and the camera wasn't on. But I reassure you that I did actually clean it out and reorganize it. So this is the pantry now. I'm pretty happy with it. It's not perfect, of course, but it'll do for now. And of course, now it's time for the cleanup after you've done the cleanup. So it always happens. You're so busy doing what you're doing, you look at it, you think, oh, that's lovely, and then you turn around and there's a huge mess. It probably doesn't help that I hadn't cleaned up from the night before, so I still had stuff out from that, but in any case, I'm going to get this cleaned up.
All in my bag, you been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag. You be all in my business. No, they notice me flexing. Fit in all in my fitness. I been all in my bag. You been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag. You be all in my business. No, they notice me flexing. Fit in all of my fitness. My chain dance on my head big. My top heavy, I let it down. See me shining, they hating on me. They mean mugging, I let them down. She call me Poppy, I'm popping now. Happy, I'm hopping now. Money talks, I'm the only thing these broke boys should be talking about. They talking greasy, we eating healthy, we getting wealthy. You see the difference. Blew her back, then I blew her off. She salty, now she can't be the missus. My partner's country like cornbread. In the city plotting on long bread. These out here going broke, tryna do this that they song said. I'm a once in a lifetime flex. Never leave lifelines. Hit her with the nighttime text. Got no time to fight while I stress. I be dripping, baby. That I used to get missing lately. They acting iffy, he different, ain't he? Hop in the coupe and we dipping, baby. Yeah, the inside be looking like chicken gravy. In my vision, hazy, know they hungry and hideous. Ride for my brother like Phineas. Finna go fill up a stash. I'm on a mission, my palm just be itching, man. I can't even hold you, it feel like a rash. I came with the funk like a hamper of Pampers. And all of these rappers been stealing the sauce. I just been winning, man, I'm tryna get it, man. It's to the point I ain't feeling no loss. I been all in my bag. You been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag. You be all in my business. No, they notice me flexing. Fit in all of my fitness. I been all in my bag. You been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag. You be all in my business. No, they notice me flexing. Fit in all of my fitness. Ocean under this dad hat. It ain't me that you mad at. I ain't trippin', bruh, had that. Cause he don't know I done had that. My bucket list got check marks. My denim pocket got stretch marks. My neighbors swear that I'm hustling. Like might as well, bruh, fuck it then. I might whip around the city.
So if you like this video and you find it motivating, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it.
The tutor, I've been too clean for the dirty looks. Pile of paper thick as 30 books. Shawty fine as at 27. I can't wait to see how 30 looks. I've been out of pocket like loose change. Ride around like Bruce Wayne. Still hot as that blue flame. I might buy the block with my boot thing. Yeah, them squares in your circle, you out of shape. My city think that I got a cape. All of this smoking can't give me a job, but that's just a risk that I gotta take. I'm a rock star, baby. Feel like I'm Chuck Berry in my Sway Sperry. I'm a pop star, baby. Feel like I'm Steve Perry hitting Holly Berries, and it's kinda scary. All the power you got when you really be knowing yourself. Know that they cannot control me or hold me, cause lately I barely got hold of myself. I been all in my bag. You been all in my business. You be all in your feelings. I been all in them trenches. I been all in my bag. You be all in my business. No, they notice me flexing. Fit in all in my fitness. I been all in my bag. You been all in my business. You be all in your feelings.
Well, I hope you found that motivating and enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please consider subscribing by hitting the red button down below, and I've also left some videos up there if you need more motivation. Thanks, guys.